Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In this new series, we'll be following not one single highway, but a series of highways that will take us from Jonesboro, Arkansas to Garden City, Missouri. We begin in Jonesboro at the intersection of U.S. Highway 49 and Arkansas State Highway 91. We'll be following Highway 91 throughout this video across the city of Jonesboro. Although Arkansas Highway 91 is bannered north-south, this portion that we'll be taking heads almost due west. Here, Highway 91 is locally named Johnson Avenue. Jonesboro is the largest community in northeast Arkansas and the fifth largest in the state. It's the Craighead County seat and a regional center in education, retail, healthcare, and industry. Its largest employers are Arkansas State University and St. Bernard's Medical Center. Jonesboro is also an agricultural center in processing rice, cotton, and soybeans, and it's a regional hub for the food processing industry, being home to Riceland Foods and plants for Frito-Lay, ConAgra Foods, Kraft Foods Post Division, and Nestle. Jonesboro is located on Crowley's Ridge, a crescent-shaped rise that is the highest point in northeast Arkansas. Nearby sunken lands were created by the New Madrid earthquakes of 1811 and 1812. The elevation of Jonesboro was an important factor in Jonesboro's development because it was safe from the periodic floods that devastated low-lying areas. Jonesboro has several points of interest. Craighead Forest Park is a city-owned park located on Crowley's Ridge featuring a 60-acre fishing lake, camping facilities, hiking and biking trails, nature areas, picnic sites, and recreational fields. Crowley's Ridge Parkway runs through Jonesboro. It was designated one of Arkansas's scenic byways in 1997, and it was designated Arkansas's first national scenic byway in 1998. In 2004, the Arkansas Game and Fish Commission opened the 160-acre Forest L. Wood Crowley's Ridge Nature Center in South Jonesboro, adjacent to Craighead Forest Park. The center includes exhibits on the origins and history of the ridge, wildlife, educational models and displays, land and water features, hiking trails, an observation tower, and an auditorium. Located on the ASU campus, the Arkansas State University Museum is accredited by the American Association of Museums and features 21,000 square feet of historic, archaeological, and natural history exhibits. The museum focuses on the history and cultural heritage of northeast Arkansas and the Mississippi River Delta region. The mall at Turtle Creek, opened in 2006, is the largest mall in northeast Arkansas. It was the only enclosed mall opened in the United States that year. On March 29th of 2020, much of the mall was destroyed during an EF3 tornado. Before the opening of the mall, Indian Mall was the primary shopping destination in northeast Arkansas. In 2012, Indian Mall, named for the former mascot of Arkansas State University, was demolished. The only store to remain in its original location was Sears, and we all know what happened to Sears since then. Jonesboro is the hometown of best-selling novelist John Grisham, known as author of The Firm and The Pelican Brief. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up if you enjoy our videos. We conclude today's video here as we turn onto US Highway 63. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a like, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.